This is the latest by ROPVACNIC, and it's super popular, and I had to check it out for myself. This little robot is super small, very thin, but it does dual action, which means it does vacuum and mop as well. So let's talk about what it comes with. Of course, you've got your base station, super simple, two little nods which will connect right here, and this is where it charges. So that's fantastic right off the bat. They do provide you, of course, with those brushes. So those brushes will actually snap just like so. And I like the fact that they're super long as well, so they will get to those edges, and they do provide you with two extra ones when you need to change them. So that's great. And last but not least, you also have the mopping pad. And the mopping pad is cool because this is where the action happens right here. This thing here is super cool. So for your vacuum, for all the debris, for all that dust, it's right here. You've got a HEPA filter right there, and they even give you an extra HEPA filter. So you've got that here for that kind of dustbin, right? But right here is where your water for the mopping will go. So right here, you will actually fill it up here, get that water in there. When that water is in there and the dustbin is empty, all you need to do, put it back in place, just like that, and you are good to go. Now, this will go just like so, snap it in place, and that's it. Look at this really cool bouncing suspension. This is super, super important because it will get you through different rooms, go over those little carpets and things like that. The only thing that this thing will have trouble with would be like carpets that have like a little bit of tassel. Make sure you get rid of that, or you kind of like tell the robot through the app not to go in those areas and do it manually, or kind of just like flip him down so it can go over it without any problem. It also has edge detection, which is the sensors right here. Those here are edge detection all the way here as well, and that will make sure that it's not going to tumble down stairs or go off any type of, higher elevated area, which is obviously a big plus. And now let's talk about what this thing actually does, because it will go around and, check this out, bounce around. Yes, at first, when it starts getting to know your room, it will bump into walls to make sure that it understands where it's going. Now, on a normal automatic mode, this thing will basically do a great job in small areas, because there is a large area kind of mode, but in small, automatic is for smaller areas, like a normal area. We're not talking a ballroom here. And it will go back and forth in that kind of pattern. If you ask it to do edge work, now edge work is a different mode, and now edge work will basically slow down the machine. It'll still have the same power, but it will slow down in terms of movement, right? So you're still getting the same suction, but the movement will be slowed down so it gets closer to the edge and gets those brushes to really brush that edge and bring all the debris in. So that's a really important thing. And then you have a large area motion, and that's kind of, they call it the bow shape, because if you have larger rooms, it will actually do bow, and it cleans incredibly well because it doesn't worry about, going through, couches and under furniture and all that. If you've got a large area, get into that mode, zero issues there. Now, there's one thing I need to mention because I think it's super cool. We're used to these machines working with apps, and this is no different. It works with an app on your phone, no problem. It will work with Alexa, Google Assistant, Vocal, no problem. You can actually say it, start cleaning, and it will start cleaning. Zero issues there. But what I thought was pretty cool, it kind of is a throwback, but it does have a remote. And the remote, you can, by a flick of the remote without having your phone on, decide what kind of suction power you want, lower, higher, turbo style, what kind of mopping you want. If you want the mopping at all, because you don't have to have the mopping at all times. It can just be a vacuum cleaner and just vacuum a couple times a week, then mop just once a week. You can do that. And then the patterns that I was discussing are here as well, which is a nice thing. You can send it back home as well whenever you decide. So that little remote is kind of a plus if you don't want to fiddle around with your phone, or if you're busy with your phone, obviously, and you want to be able to access all the features. And the third way you can access the features is right on the machine itself. So the machine itself will tell you, of course, this is the power button. This is the Wi-Fi because it connects to your Wi-Fi, and there's a home button. So at any time, you can come down, press the home button, and it will direct itself back to its home station. But yes, ROPVACNIC, if you're looking for an all-in-one, super simple to use, and really no frills, no thrills, no craziness, and you know it's just gonna work, ROPVACNIC is definitely it.